So hello guys, and I'm going to be teaching variables today. There are lots of different types of variables, and one of them, is like numbers. So I'm just going to display this first for a little time, and then so one type of variable is int. So int is like an integer. You can say number, and then you can say that is equal to 1. So when that happens, and you type in, so we're going to display the number by saying number. And then when you run this, it is going to compile and run and say 1. So we can do the same, and then there's a double. A double is like a number where it's like a number, but it has decimals. So I'm going to say 50.99. And when you do that and run it, it should say 50.99. So the next variable type is called a character, a char. And a character is just one individual character, like a D or something. So you compile and run this. Oh, you need to do single quotations for char. So I say there. If you run this and it works. Okay, so the next type of variable type is wait a minute. So yes, the next type of variable here is called a string. This is kind of like a char, but it's a little bit different. In string, you do this. You can do a list of characters, and if you type in string, also this is double quotations. So in this case, it should display the list of characters. And weird. Like I said this, and then said that. String, number. I'm going to figure out this myself. Okay, so I found my mistake. The thing is that you shouldn't use std. That's very useless. What you have to do is type in using namespace std. And that works. So in this case, when you display it with count, it should work. And it says those characters. So our next variable type is called a boolean. A boolean is like true or false. You could say here that's like you would type in bool and say like true, or maybe you can, and then when you do this, it says, wait a minute, this is a little bit confusing. Let's run this again. So true actually means 1 in the programming language if you want to display it. Like, if you display false, then, and you run it, it would say 0. 1 means true, 0 means false. And that's it for variable types.